Alright guys, so on this video I just want to show you guys what I've used in my resin printing adventures. So this over here is the standard photopolymer resin translucent. I've used this and it works really well from Elegoo, and you guys can watch this in your own time and read all the mumbo jumbo that's on there, techno babble, whatever you want. And I've also used this one right here that I like very much. This is an EC UV resin translucent green from Anycubic with QR code if anybody wants to take a look at that. But anyway, both of these are really good products, and I got some amazing prints out of them on Monoprice Mini.
Likey